the desire to see that interstate issues for all states should be resolved before the 75th year of independence. That is what the Home Ministry has expressed their desire, and which I feel is a very, very fair desire, that even after 75 years, states are still fighting for their borders, is not reflecting too well for the state and the country. So therefore, it's a very genuine desire of the Home Ministry and the Home Minister himself. Secondly, solution is not very simple. It's complicated. For 50 years, we could not find it. But with the new leadership coming in Assam, with the kind of political environment we have in the Northeast, and especially the different understanding we have at the Chief Minister's level, we are able to discuss this matter in a much more detailed manner compared to maybe what it was before. So we could look at a situation where discussions, and this could be a good time to take this discussion forward if we can have all stakeholders on board. We will have a big consultation, try to discuss with as many people as possible. May not be possible to meet everybody, but we will try to give a fair chance so that everybody's voice is heard. And then try to see if we can actually work it out. And I've been very clear in my statement from day one that we will try to find an amicable solution. And if there is not there, then obviously it's something that we will not simply agree to anything that maybe the other side might say. But I feel that there's a positive way forward. I feel that we can find a solution if we put our hearts and minds together in this. We may be able to find a solution, but it's not easy. So, but I am a person who's positive, who believes in trying, who believes that people deserve it. This government is committed to it. We are trying our best. And we ultimately may not be able to find a solution, but if we don't try, we'll never find out.